Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Garima. So I'm back with a new video, and if you can see in this picture, today I'm gonna show you that how I did this look. This is a very beautiful, intense purple half cut crease look. So let's start today's video. So first of all, I'm taking this Cetaphil moisturizer. I'm taking little bit on my hand and applying all over my face so that my face will be hydrated while during the makeup. Next is primer. I'm taking this Wet n Wild primer and I'm applying little bit on my hand, and then with the help of finger, I'm applying all over my face. Now the brows, for brows I'm using this spoolie and I'm brushing my brows to get my brows in a shape. And I can use this, I'm using this LA Girl and this angled brush. I am filling my brows. So आप देख सकते हैं मैं properly अपने brows को fill कर रही हूँ. After filling my brows, मैंने अपने brows के corner में पहले tape लगाया, and then I'm drawing a outline outside my brows, so कि जो हमारी brows है वो बहुत ही highlight होके आएगी. And then same मैं अपने eyelids पे भी same concealer apply कर रही हूँ, and you can see that with the help of brush and beauty blender I'm blending that concealer all over my eyes, and same I did it for my other eye also. Now immediately after that I'm using this Remedy London's loose powder, and I'm dabbing it wherever I applied my concealer, ताकि जो भी moisture है वो absorb हो जाए, and my there will be a no crease line. So you can see जो भी excess है मैंने brush से उसको remove कर दिया है. Next I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild palette, and from this I'm taking this translucent color, and I'm start blending it from outer corners to inner corners on my crease line. So you can see that I'm blending towards outer to inner only on my the crease line. Same मैं अपने दूसरे eyes के साथ भी मैंने same process follow किया. Now my eyes are prepped for my eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette and मैं ये fluffy brush ले रही हूँ. Next I'm gonna take the darker shade of purple color. I'm taking little bit on my brush, and I will start dabbing toward outer corner and to the inner corner. So आप देख सकते हैं मैं सिर्फ अपने outer corners पे उसको dab कर रही हूँ. Plus I am following the crease line towards the inner corner. Same I'm doing with the other eye. Next is the lighter shade. I'm taking this lighter shade from the same palette, and I will blend the outer lines towards so that there will be no harsh crease line. So आप देख सकते हैं मैं उस lighter shade के साथ properly blend कर रही हूँ अपना shadow. Next is the darker pink color. I'm taking this darker pink color from the same palette, and I will blend towards the mid of my eyelid portion. You can see that I'm blending it so that कोई भी जो harsh patch है वो visible ना हो. Lastly I'm taking a darker shade, little darker shade of purple, and I'm applying just on my corners so that मेरे eyes को एक properly depth मिले. So you can see I'm applying. Now the last I'm taking this earbud, I am spraying some fixing spray on it so that I will clean my area wherever I want, the crease line, the cut crease. So you can see that I'm cleaning both of my, eye wherever I want to apply a concealer. Now with the help of this angled brush, I'm taking a concealer, and with the help of this brush I'm applying, I will start creating my crease line. So आप देख सकते हैं अभी I will slowly start creating the crease line. So for the corners I will take this smaller brush so that जो proper finish line होता है I will make the touch, I will do the touch up with this one. Same I am applying on my other eye also. I will create a the crease line. Now the next I'm gonna take the glittery shade from the same palette. I'm applying little bit on my finger, and I'll start dabbing on the concealer area. Now here I'm mixing match the two colors because I didn't like the one color, so I am mixing match. Secondly I will again put some fixing spray on my brush so that my brush will be wet, and then with the help of that brush I will apply the glitter shade on my the crease line so that एक proper जो ये तो finished crease line हो वो मिले. Nextly you can see that I am applying a little bit of my purple shades, and I will just blending that purple shade and mixing the little bit pink shade to blend the line of the crease. So I blended it out, and now I was not satisfied with the that glitter. So I took this Wet n Wild ka glitter again, and with the help of same brush I applied that glittery shade, silver glitter shade on my cut crease. Now my eyes are ready. I will go and wear my lashes. So you can see that I already wore my lashes, and now the next step, I'm gonna apply eyeliner on top of it, because जो भी glue line है वो मैं नहीं चाहती वो visible हो. So I will give one touch up on that. Next I'm gonna apply this mascara. I am merging my false lashes with the original one. So I will apply now with the help of this wet wipe. I will clean the excess fallout whatever is there, and I will apply a little bit of primer on it, because already मैंने wet wipe से अपना face clean कर लिया है. Next with the help, I am using this LA Girl color corrector, because I have some discoloration on my skin, so I'm applying wherever I feel. And with the help of this beauty blender, I'm blending the color corrector. Now next thing, I'm gonna apply this Maybelline Super Stay foundation. This is the liquid foundation. I love this foundation. I'm applying all over my face, even on neck area. So now with the help of this foundation brush, I will spray some fixing spray on it, so that वो थोड़ा गीला हो जाए, and then I will start blending my foundation. I will blend my foundation on my neck area also, and after that I will take the beauty blender and I will dab the foundation. Next thing I'm gonna apply, this is Wet n Wild concealer. I'm applying under my eyes, nose, and I will blend with the help of my beauty blender. You can see that I'm blending toward my nose tip, my jawline. Next, I'm applying this Remele liquid foundation. This is the darker shade. Today, I'm using as a contour. So, with the help of brush, I'm applying wherever, on my cheekbone, jawline, nose line, and my temple area. And with the help of this beauty blender, I will blend my contour. So, you can see that it's, so pigmented, and it look good. Immediately after that, I will take this Rimmel London loose powder, and with the help of my beauty blender, I will apply the loose powder under my eyes or under my jawline, so that my makeup will get set. So after this, I again I'm using the same palette, and I'll start doing my lower lash line. So with the help of this fluffy brush, I'm blending it, and again I'm taking this angle brush to apply the the shade on my lower lash line, and I will take the fluffy brush to blend it properly. Now I'm applying this purple color eyeliner pencils on my outer corners, and for the inner corners I will apply this nude shade, so that my eyes will so pop up. Next thing, I'm gonna apply this Wet n Wild highlighter towards my inner corner, so that मेरी जो eyes है वो बहुत ही अच्छी और pop out होके it looks so good. सो नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फ्लफ़ी ब्रश, मैं जो भी लूज़ पाउडर है एक्सेस उसको क्लीन करके और प्रॉपरली पूरे अपने फेस पे ब्लेंड कर लूँगी. नेक्स्ट थिंग, आई एम टेकिंग दिस वेट एंड वाइल्ड का ब्राउज़र पैलेट. आई एम टेकिंग लिटिल बिट ऑन माई ब्रश, एंड आई विल do the bronzer. So I'm applying on my cheek line, jawline, and I will apply on my temple of my face. Next thing, I'm using this Lakme blush palette. I'm taking a pink shade from this, dabbing the excess, and I will apply on apple of my cheek. Next thing after this, I will use this max fixing spray, and I'll spray all over my face, so that जो भी मेरा makeup है वो properly set हो जाए. And as you know that today I have done very intense purple look. So today I wanted to go little bit nude on my lips. So I'm taking this purplish lip liner, and I will start creating outline for my lip line. So now I'm using this Smashbox lip shade palette, and I'm taking this lighter, nude color from this palette, and with the help of this brush, I will apply all over my lips. So you can see that it's looking good with the purple color. I'm going nude on that. So now the last step is the highlighter. So I love this step because immediately after applying highlighter, your face will look so shiny. एकदम से वो बहुत अच्छा shine आ जाता है आपके face में. So I'm using the same Wet n Wild highlighter. I'm taking little bit on my brush, and I will apply under my brow bone on both of my eyes. I will apply on my nose area also, to my cheekbone, and on top of my eyebrows. Now at last I will go and I will brush my hairs, and then I will come and show you that how this look is looking. So now you can see the final look. This is looking so gorgeous. So हो आप सभी को ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो आप इस लुक को ज़रूर ट्राई करिए और मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपका लुक कैसा बना, एंड आपको कैसा लगा। एंड अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सो प्लीज़ गो एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन ऑल्सो, so that whenever I'm posting a video, you'll be getting a notification for that. Until the time, take care, stay safe, bye.